What is up, everybody? Welcome to the 22nd iPhone 1784 repair video. iPhone 1784. Sorry if that sound was weird. In this video, we are going to be... You see this? This is the bottom of an iPhone 1784. These are 6 screws that need to be taken out for the power jack. And, we're just going to be drawing a diagram so that it helps me... It just helps to organize the screws. So basically I'll just be drawing a circle here. I'll be drawing a circle around each of them. And then I will correlate that to where on the repair mat the screws go. Yeah, so like if it goes in slot 1, I will write slot 1, but I think it's like going to be slot like 10 or something. And anyway, so yeah, it's pretty straightforward thing. I just like... Screws organization is a nightmare. In my experience, I didn't find any good videos online, and yeah, I mean, so like if it goes, that's why I'm doing this. I mean, that's pretty much the reason for this whole series, is because I want in-depth tech tutorials, and I can never find them. So yeah, sometimes it's silly. Like, this is just something I came up with in my head because I wanted to continue the repair, and I was just like, you know, I mean, this has been sitting. I haven't done a video like this. Like, I haven't been working on this repair for a little while because, like, I just didn't have an idea. I needed a break, whatever. So, yeah, so part of this is probably just going to be me figuring out GIMP, the GNU image manipulation tool. I'm trying to remember what other tool I used. In case that one's better. I don't know if I need it. Free select tool. I mean, this shouldn't be that long. Maybe I'll just see what I can do in GIMP. We'll do... And we will do... How to draw a circle in GIMP. Open source version of InDesign. I'm just realizing that I might have the wrong thing here. I'm trying to remember what other tool I use. So funny.
For the lack of tutorials on how to
comes back
GIMP, I decided I'd make my own.
So loud.
First of all, the circle tool, and then if you want to make a filled circle, you can make my own. So because of the lack of tutorials on how to make circles in GIMP, I decided I'd make my own. First of all, you want to select the circle tool, and then if you want to make a...
So, dude has like a square, like what workspace is this over here? This is, I'm used to seeing that. I'm kind of confused as to why I don't right now. They're in tools. This is annoying. I don't really understand why it's like this. I wonder if I like closed it accidentally. Not showing circle tool in GIMP. Tool groups are enabled. None of these look like a rectangle. Maybe it's just because it's old. This is like why everyone hates these softwares. Like it's just like it's like so non-intuitive. I think I'm just gonna try a pencil tool because we'll see how that works. Yeah, we're just gonna do this because what a headache. Yeah, I want to just be able to pull a circle, but this will be faster. So I'm basically just trying to draw 6 clean circles. And okay, and so now I'm going to do this. I'm going to do text boxes for each of them. And I'm going to put... Hold on, give me a second. I got to see where this screw's going to go. Of course, it's hard to see on my black mat. I don't have light, so we'll see. Yeah, 13. Okay. So this one's going to go in 13, and then we'll just go up from there. So let's say 1, 3. That was 1, 2. We'll do 1, 3. I don't know why this is so small. 13. Yeah, and so I don't know where. There's a select tool. Whoops, I always do that. I don't like... It has to do with like layers or something. What if I select this over here and then drag it? Nope, still no. I'm just pressing Control Z. I'm just doing backwards. I really don't understand like why it's so difficult to select. This is like not a... I do this a million times and I've never figured it out. Like maybe I have and I forgot. It's just like... Again, not intuitive, or at least not intuitive to the way that I've done things in the past. So this one will be 14. And then I want it to just be the same size as the other one. I don't really know what size I got it to. Let's say it's that. But I will fail again. Actually, let's see. Darn it. No. Oh, how do you do redo? Key shortcut to do redo in GIMP. Control Shift Y. Why wouldn't it just be Control Shift Z? Or yeah. So stupid. Doesn't make sense again. I am curious why it isn't that. Like, just because. Did I just move it? I couldn't even tell. Yeah, I don't know. There is another tool I use. I'm forgetting the name of it to do this kind of thing. Because like sometimes, for whatever reason, my brain is like, oh, GIMP works or it doesn't work. This one's going to be 15. I kind of want to do it on the other side. I kind of want to make this one 13, this one 14. I don't know if it matters. We'll see. I'm just going to keep going with this. And maybe I'll regret it, but maybe worst case, I guess I would go back to the drawing board or not recognize it, and then everything would be messed up. But what did it say? 242 was the last one. Yeah. I never draw diagrams like this. This is nice. Even though it's like a simple diagram, you know, gotta start somewhere. Alright. Let's do 17. I'm amped. I really want to complete this. Now, how do I move it? Like, that's moving it that way. That's making it bigger. but like, I guess I could literally just make it bigger in the direction that I want it to go. That's like so funny. Cool. That worked. And then do 18. Okay. So yeah, this software we're using is called the GIMP. It's GNU Image Manipulation Tool or something like that. Image manipulation program. It's open source, as with I think pretty much all the software that I use on this channel. Okay, cool. That's it. I'm just gonna save this. Yeah, that's fine. Didn't mean to do that. And then I'm gonna export it. This is how you. Right, I need to make it an image file, like a JPEG or a PNG or whatever. So, I also need power jack. And we'll do diagram, since the original file was that name. And I'm gonna export one more time in case the PNG doesn't work for some reason. We'll do a JPEG. No, why does it already exist? Oh, that's why. We'll do diagram, and then I'm just gonna assume these worked. We'll do. I'm just like. My text looks different for some reason. I wonder if it's like. I wonder what got updated. I guess maybe the OS got updated. And then, yeah, it looks like we have the files there. Okay, great. So we are done. That is it for this. And then I'll actually, the next video on this series should be me actually unscrewing these screws. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this was helpful. Write things in the comments if you have things to say. Thanks. Peace.